Hamster combat allocation. What's next after snapshot? Welcome to this quick tutorial on hamster combat allocation. If you've just completed your snapshot and are wondering what steps to take next, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the key actions you need to take after your snapshot to maximize your gaming experience. So let's dive in. First, take a moment to review your snapshot results. This gives you valuable insights into your current status in the game, including your resources and rankings. Understanding where you stand will help you make informed decisions moving forward. Next, it's time to plan your allocation strategy. Depending on your objectives, whether it's leveling up your hamsters, improving your combat skills, or gathering resources, you need to allocate your assets effectively. So consider the strengths of each hamster and how they can complement each other in battles. Don't forget to engage with the hamster combat community. Join forums or social media groups to share your strategies and learn from others. Community insights can provide valuable tips on effective allocation and gameplay tactics that you may not have considered. Once you have a plan, it's time to execute your strategy, so start allocating resources according to your plan and begin participating in battles. Keep track of your progress and adjust your strategy based on the outcomes. And that's it. Follow these steps after your snapshot to optimize your gameplay in hamster combat. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Happy gaming and thanks for watching.